Dutch friends and English foes, poor Britain shall have peace at last. Holland got towns and we got blows, but Dunkirk's ours, we'll hold it fast. We have got it in a string, and the wigs may all go swing, for among good friends I love to be plain. All their false deluded hopes will or ought to end in ropes, but the Queen shall enjoy her own again. Sunderland's run out of his wits, and dismal, double dismal looks. Wharton can only swear by fits, and strutting Hal is off the hooks. All got off and full of spleen, made false moves and lost his queen. Harry looked fierce and shook his ragged mane, but a prince of high renown swore he'd rather lose a crown than the Queen shall enjoy her own again. Our merchant ships may cut the line and not be snapped by privateers and commoners who love good wine, will drink it now, as well as peers and men shall have their rent, yet our stocks rise cent per cent. The Dutch from hence shall no more millions drain, will bring on us no more debts, nor with bankrupts fill gazettes, and the Queen shall enjoy her own again. The towns we took ne'er did us good, what signified the French to beat my spent our money and our blood to make the Dutchmen proud and great. But the Lord of Oxford swears Dunkirk never shall be theirs. The